reactions of group 5. What are the cations present in group 5? The cations are Ca2 plus and Ba2 plus. The reagent, group reagent is a mixture of ammonium chloride, ammonium carbonate and ammonium hydroxide. This mixture is used as a group reagent. Precipitate which is formed is metal carbonate. And remember, both barium carbonate and calcium carbonate both are chalky white substances. And also remember, the role of ammonium chloride is ammonium chloride maintains low concentration of carbonate, so that this will prevent precipitation of Mg2 plus. You want only calcium and barium to get precipitated. You want to avoid precipitation of Mg2 plus. This prevents precipitation of MgCO3. So, by maintaining low concentration of carbonate, you can avoid precipitation of magnesium as magnesium carbonate, and because magnesium belongs to group 6, it does not belong to group 5, it is treated as a member of group 6. So, you do not want magnesium to get precipitated when you are testing for group 5. Reactions of barium. Number 1, barium salt when treated with ammonium carbonate, it gives a white precipitate of barium carbonate. It gives a white precipitate of barium carbonate. B, barium salt plus ammonium oxalate, it gives a white precipitate of barium oxalate. This is white and it is soluble in acetic acid. C, barium plus dilute sulfuric acid. You get a white precipitate of BaSO4. One more reaction. Barium salt plus K2CrO4 in presence of acetic acid solvent, you get a yellow precipitate of barium chromate. Fine. Remember that in the last reaction we have used acetic acid as a solvent. The reason is calcium and strontium, their chromates are soluble in acetic acid. So, when you do the reaction in presence of acetic acid, and if you get a precipitate, you are sure that it must be due to barium chromate, because calcium chromate and strontium chromate would have dissolved in acetic acid. And another point you are supposed to remember is barium oxalate is soluble in acetic acid. That's another important point you are supposed to know. It's a difference from calcium oxalate, which you will be learning after this. Now, reactions of calcium. Calcium ions, when treated with ammonium carbonate, you get a white precipitate of calcium carbonate. B. Calcium salt solution plus ammonium oxalate, you get calcium oxalate, white. This is also white. And remember that calcium oxalate is insoluble in acetic acid. This is a difference from barium oxalate. While barium oxalate is soluble in acetic acid, calcium oxalate is insoluble in acetic acid. Next, calcium salt solution plus K4FeCN6, you get CaK2FeCN6. This is a white precipitate. So these are few important reactions of calcium. Just remember this point of difference between barium and calcium. While barium oxalate is soluble in acetic acid, calcium oxalate is insoluble in acetic acid.